Banna.
Banna, 1942. 23 patron saints protecting Ilocos Norte. We fought fear with faith. We faced destruction with compassion. The Ilocano sons and daughters of Banna, with the grace of God Almighty, braving the Ilocano courage for our beloved country.
Tumagdan kayo! Lumaban kayo ang inyong patay! Sa nag-iwan kayo, nihirin kayo! Lumaban kayo! Saan kayo ang maunang tinagtagan?
Timakper ang nakired, limaban ang natured, ili ang nadyosan, ili ang may pagpangas, abiyag Banna, Ilocos, Pilipinas! They triumph in war, yet a new battle calls. How will a community rise from its walls? How will they move? How will they stand? How will they eat? How will they grow hand in hand?
Bago pa ang ulan bumuhos, ang buong bayay kumikilos. Tulong-tulong sa pagtaguyod, di patitinang sa pagsubok.
Kalpasan ti amin ang riga, timaod tinamnama, na tumakde, nga agbiyan, kag naikan manang tiranyag.
Abuos, 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 biyaya'y bumubos dito sa Banna, dito sa Banna. May bagong kabanata na nagliliwanag.
They watched the weaver ants unite and saw their eggs as gifts of light. They saw food, they saw salvation, they saw the ants as redemption. They hungered and saw, they found and shared. They ate and were filled, they loved and gave thanks to the Lord Almighty. Iba na dito sa Banna.
Iba na dito sa Banna, may bagong tadhana. Halina, bumarito ka, nang iyong makita ang bagong bihis, bagong gising, bagong paglalakbahay. May bait, may sakit, bago makamit ang tagumpahan.
From echoes of the past we rise, with tested hearts and hopeful eyes, to meet the present, strong and wise. Iba na dito sa Banna.
Ang motor, ang Ilocano ay may sariling buhay. Nagbabago at umusad, nagliliwanag. Makukulay na ilaw ang nanampak ang lahat. Pagkatapos ang pagsisikap ay ang pagsikat.
From wreck and fall to rise and soar, Banna begins to shine once more.
I'm in Ilocos Norte. I'm in Banna.
Our hearts beat with passion. body moves with the rhythm. Our soul shines for the nation. Banna is forever changing, and our light will forever be winning. Iba na dito sa Banna!
This performance is from the municipality of Banna, led by Mayor Mary Cristina Badilla and Tourism Officer John Lloyd Panen, with the creative direction of Christopher Aldwin Galinato.